How to change Instagram notification sound on iPhone. First, go to your Instagram settings. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you see notifications. Tap on it to open the notifications settings. Within the notifications settings, look for messages and tap on it. Make sure to enable all notifications. Press the home button to exit Instagram and go back to your iPhone's home screen. Then, find and tap on the Settings app. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on General. Inside General Settings, find Software Update and tap on it. Make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 17.2 or higher. If not, update your software. Once you've confirmed your software is up to date, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. In the Sounds and Haptics settings, tap on Text Tone to change the notification sound. From the list of available tones, tap on the one you like the most. Go back to the Sounds and Haptics menu and tap on Default Alerts. Here, you can choose the sound for general alerts. Select your desired notification sound. And there you have it. You've successfully customized your Instagram notification sound on your iPhone. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Until next time, happy Instagramming.